Learn Gujarati directions fast. Go straight ahead to
Same.
with English in
Gujarati.
Welcome to the Lost Tourist Club. Hey, you are in the right place. Today you will learn Gujarati direction phrases and laugh a little while getting gloriously unlost. Imagine this. You are in a busy street in Ahmedabad, holding a paper map upside down with the confidence of a potato in sunglasses. A friendly local looks at your map, looks at you, and decides to save your day. First, they say,
Seedha jao.
that means, go straight ahead. Easy, no drama, no spinning in circles like a confused ceiling fan. Then they continue.
जमनी तरफ पहली गली लो.
Take the first street on the right. Very useful when your inner compass has resigned. After that,
પછી ડાબે.
then left. Short, practical, and slightly bossy in the best possible way. You keep walking and here.
ટ્રાફિક સિગ્નલ પર.
At the traffic light. Great. Now the city is starting to make sense. Finally, the local points across the road and says the place is
હોટેલની સામે.
using,
ની સામે.
which means opposite of. Congratulations. You are no longer fully lost. Only artistically lost. Your survival phrases. Let's lock in the core phrases one by one. Say them out loud with swagger, even if you are currently sitting on a couch and going nowhere. Phrase 1. Go straight ahead. In Gujarati, say,
સીધા જાઓ.
Imagine a glowing arrow pointing forward and absolutely refusing to discuss left or right. Phrase 2. Take the first street on the right. In Gujarati, say,
જમણી તરફ પહેલી ગલી લો.
Point right with one finger like a dramatic tour guide who charges extra for enthusiasm. Phrase 3. Then left. In Gujarati, say,
પછી ડાબે.
first forward, then left. Your route now has a plot twist. Phrase 4. At the traffic light. In Gujarati, say,
ટ્રાફિક સિગ્નલ પર.
this is where everyone waits, including your patients. Phrase 5. Opposite of. In Gujarati, say,
ની સામે.
Example. The cafe is opposite the station.
કેફે સ્ટેશનની સામે છે.
A very serious street adventure. Now listen to a mini story. It is serious only in the sense that getting snacks at the correct destination is serious. You ask a man, "Excuse me, where is the cafe?" He smiles like a wise map wizard and says,
કૃપા કરીને સીધા જાઓ.
after the light, go straight ahead.
સિગ્નલ પછી સીધા જાઓ.
You walk bravely. At the corner, he adds.
જમણી તરફ પહેલી ગલી લો.
You nod as if you totally understood the first time. Then his final instruction arrives.
પછી ડાબે.
You reach the crossing and stop.
ટ્રાફિક સિગ્નલ પર.
Across the road, like a reward from the universe, the cafe appears.
સ્ટેશનની સામે.
You have done it. Language learning and snack acquisition, together at last. Repeat after me. Time for a quick drill. I say it in English, then you say it in Gujarati like a local with excellent directional energy. Go straight ahead.
સીધા જાઓ.
Take the first street on the right.
જમણી તરફ પહેલી ગલી લો.
Then left.
પછી ડાબે.
At the traffic light.
ટ્રાફિક સિગ્નલ પર.
Opposite of the school.
શાળાની સામે.
Opposite of the bank.
બેંકની સામે.
Please go straight ahead.
કૃપા કરીને સીધા જાઓ.
After the light, go straight ahead.
સિગ્નલ પછી સીધા જાઓ.
Tiny quiz, big glory. Let's test your memory. No pressure. Okay, a tiny bit of pressure. The imaginary parrot judge is watching. How do you say, go straight ahead, in Gujarati?
सीधा जाओ.
How do you say, take the first street on the right?
जमनी तरफ पहली गली लो.
How do you say, then left?
પછી ડાબે.
How do you say, at the traffic light?
ટ્રાફિક સિગ્નલ પર.
How do you say, opposite of?
ની સામે.
Bonus question. The hotel is opposite the station.
હોટેલ સ્ટેશનની સામે છે.
Wrap up and keep going. You did great today. Seriously, your map reading alter ego is becoming powerful. Today you practiced 5 useful Gujarati direction phrases.
सीधा जाओ. જમણી તરફ પહેલી ગલી લો. પછી ડાબે. ટ્રાફિક સિગ્નલ પર.
And
ની સામે.
that is enough to follow directions, give simple guidance, and avoid wandering into a vegetable market when you were looking for a museum. Thanks for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and soon Gujarati directions will feel natural. Until next time, walk proudly, pronounce bravely, and if in doubt, at least remember.
सीधा जाओ.